What's up guys, it's Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. And maybe you're asking yourself, I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Should I upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5? I want to answer that question for you today. Without further ado, let's talk tech. So guys, I know this might not be the most obvious question to ask, but some people have a Z Fold 4, and I've heard some people that don't like the weight of it. They feel like the thickness might be a little bit too much, and they're looking for some sort of other option, but still like the idea of being on the cutting edge technology and having a flipping or folding device. So the Z Flip 5, especially with this bigger screen on the front, just seems like a more viable option for somebody looking to downsize, not only in girth and thickness, but also maybe price, right? Maybe you've been looking at getting a folding device, you got an older fold, right? A Fold 3, Fold 2, and you're like, you know what, I can't come off of 1800 right now, even though Samsung has some really good trade-in deals. But being able to trade in my Fold toward a Flip just economically will make more sense, and also comfort-wise might make a little more sense. So folded, obviously, there's no contest. The Flip is going to win that every single time. I mean, if we put them side by side, it might be a little bit thicker, but as far as the actual, profile of it, it's just going to be, it's going to go in your pocket and basically disappear. Like, that is what I hear, and that is what I've have felt in the past with my with my Flip. So the other side of that is, well, I got this big display on the front. You used to couldn't say that or even compete on the Flip, but now you can. Now they have their new upgraded display. And you have a lot more functionality. It's not a full phone out the box the way it is on the front of the Z Fold 4, but you still have a lot of additional functionality. You have some new widgets you can do. You also have a launcher that you can install as well that will allow you to run pretty much any app you want to run on the front of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So the front cover screen, you'll lose a little real estate, but you still have a lot of functionality on the Z Flip 5. So of course the huge difference comes when you open these bad boys up. So with the Fold, obviously here there's no contest. If you want a 7.8-inch display on the inside, a mini tablet, something that has stylus functionality, then you're looking to go from a Fold to another Fold. But if you find yourself not really using the S Pen that much, if you don't really find yourself opening this up, I think that's really a key indicator if you're a candidate for going to the Z Flip 5, because with the 5, it opens up to a normal size phone. And it's a very good phone, actually. Nice processor, plenty of RAM. And so I think that with this being the kind of state that most people will use their phone in, even if you're using the Z Fold 4, you're kind of wanting more of this aspect ratio. A lot of people complain that this is narrow. When it's off, it's nice and narrow, easy to handle. When you're actually trying to use it, you're trying to type on it, things like that, the Flip definitely wins there. And if you're using the full phone mode. But like I say, if you're needing this full display on the Fold 4 or the Fold 5, then there's really no other option for you. Look at this. This just won't compare. All right. So guys, this has been a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 4. If you have any questions or any other points you want to make as well, leave them in the comment section below. I want to keep this series going, comparing the Flip 5 and the Fold 4, and also get the Galaxy Watch 6 in here, look at some compatibility things as well. But just let me know what you guys want to see more of. Until next time, I'll talk to you. Peace.